Hey guys, I got a 2023 Kia Forte. I'm going to show you where the cabin air filter is located and how to remove it. This is the glove box. We're going to go in here. These pieces, you're just going to twist them and pull. So keep twisting and continually pull until it comes out. It's going to drop this down. I'm going to go over here and pop this off like that. And that's what happens when you leave that stuff in there. So the cabin air filter is right there. These two pieces, pop them out like that. And right here we see that the airflow is pointing down. So if you're putting one in that doesn't have that on there, this one is very dirty, so we're gonna order one and get it replaced. But that's how you do it. And hopefully that helps. I'm gonna link one of these in the description so you don't have to pay for one at Walmart or the dealership. It's usually 2 or 3 times more expensive. Yeah, thanks for watching and good luck. Shut it like that. Go like this. Drop that back on. And then put all this stuff back in here. And you are good to go. Thanks for watching.